Hello there, thank you so much for clicking on my video and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make your own protein treatment at home. And all you need is just 3 ingredients that can be found in anybody's kitchen. The first thing you're going to need is an avocado, 1 egg, and olive oil. Depending on how much you have, you can decide to use 2 eggs and 2 avocados, but my is not a lot, so I'm going to use just 1 egg and 1 avocado. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. I'm going to cover this and then I transfer to the blender. I'm going to blend until I get a smooth paste. If you don't want to use the blender, you can also use a fork to smash everything. But for me, I prefer the blender. It makes everything so smooth and nice. So this is what I have. So before you start applying the treatment, you need to shampoo your hair. You need to apply it on a clean, damp hair. So let me go shampoo, then come back. So this is how my hair looks like after I've shampooed it. Now it's time to start applying the treatment. So after I'm done applying the treatment, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic cap and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And after that, I'm going to rinse it off. So make sure when you're rinsing this treatment, your water is lukewarm. Otherwise, those eggs are gonna cook in your hair and you'll be collecting a lot of eggs from your hair. You don't need to use a shampoo, you just rinse off the treatment. And remember guys, the water has to be lukewarm, not hot or very warm. I can already feel my hair texture is different from when I was shampooing it before applying the treatment. Now I'm done rinsing off the treatment. I'm going to blow dry my hair. And this is how my hair looks like. So thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like the video guys and leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And see you on my next one. Bye bye.